No portion of this training video may be downloaded, distributed, or stored on personal or district equipment. These training videos are the copyrighted property of the Science 21 program and of Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES. Grade K, Unit 3A, Unit Overview. Unit 3 is kindergarten's integrated life science and earth science unit. The expectation is that you should teach this unit from the beginning of February when your kits are delivered and teach through the end of the year. The framework of this unit focuses on what humans, plants, and animals need to survive and how they obtain these resources. This unit contains 5 different disciplinary core ideas that explore how plants and animals get the resources they need to survive and the interdependent relationships between plants and animals. Students are also expected to engage in 4 key science and engineering practices to aid in sense-making of these science ideas. Students should continue to use the cross-cutting concepts of patterns and cause and effect, as they have in the other 2 units. In this unit, we introduce a new cross-cutting concept of systems and system models, of how the parts of a plant and animal systems work together. This unit has 22 lessons to address all of the 3 dimensions that appear in the New York State Science Learning Standards. We also organize this unit in a nonlinear way by starting with students engaging in the social studies concept of wants and needs and applying it to the natural world. Our 22 lessons fall into 4 basic topic groupings: human impact on Earth and the choices we as humans can make to reduce that impact; growing seeds, what plants need to grow; caring for ladybugs, what animals need to survive; and the relationship interactions between organisms and the environment. In this unit, students will be caring for and observing 2 living things. Depending on your classroom circumstances, you should carefully plan the timing of particular lessons to allow for vacation breaks, connecting lessons 2 through 6 to school-wide activities around Earth Day, April 22nd, and appropriate temperature and light conditions for growing plants in the classroom. Do not forget to look for the Ladybug coupon in your kit box. Read the directions on ordering and plan your lessons accordingly. The importance of this unit in the K-12 sequence cannot be understated. There's been a major shift in the intent of instruction with the adoption of the New York State Science Learning Standards. In previous years, students might have taken away from a life science unit with the takeaway from the life science unit with an experience of growing a seed and keeping animals such as ladybugs in the classroom as class pets. Now this unit forms the foundation of understanding the interrelationships of plants, animals, humans, and the environment. This understanding becomes the foundation of later learning. In grades 2 and 3, students revisit the same interdependent relationships. For example, Eagle Eagle book text, which is read in this unit, is read and used for obtaining information about more sophisticated point of view. Students continue to build upon the same unit disciplinary core ideas in grade 5 and beyond. The lessons are carefully constructed and allow, at first glance, they may seem repetitious. This is deliberate. The lessons have been written to allow all students to interact with the disciplinary core ideas via multiple different science and engineering practices and for them to make sense through the lens of 3 age-appropriate cross-cutting concepts. By the end of the unit, the expectation is that all students will have achieved fluency in approaching these concepts and be able to apply this sense-making to a variety of scenarios.